In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a legal waiver section to a form in the Wix editor. To begin, open Google Chrome and launch the Wix editor environment for the site or page where you want to make this change. Once the editor is fully loaded, take a moment to orient yourself to the layout. This will help you move smoothly through the workspace and avoid placing the form in the wrong section. Make sure you're viewing the correct page and that you have enough space in the layout area for the form block you're about to add. Next, go to the Add panel and choose Add Elements. From there, open the Contact and Forms category. You'll see a selection of available form options displayed in the Choices area. Look through the available templates and select a baseline form template block. The goal here is to start with a simple, standard form structure that you can customize easily. Once selected, the form will appear in your layout area. After it drops into place, you can reposition it if needed so it fits neatly within the design of the page. After the form has been added, click into the form settings and locate the option labeled Add New Field. This is where you can expand the form beyond the default input fields. Choose to insert a structured rich text block panel. This type of field is useful when you need to display longer formatted content directly inside the form, especially for important information that visitors should read before submitting their details. Now paste your legal waiver copy parameters into that rich text panel. As you place the text, make sure the content is clean, readable, and organized in a way that is easy for site visitors to scan. If the editor allows formatting within the rich text area, use spacing and structure carefully so the waiver does not feel cluttered. Since this section contains legal language, clarity matters. It should be visible enough that users can review it without confusion. Once everything is in place, review the form inside the editor to confirm that the waiver appears where you want it and that the overall layout still looks balanced. It's a good idea to check that the text is fully visible and not cut off by spacing or container limits. With that done, your form now includes a built-in legal waiver section within the Wix editor, ready for the next stage of your site setup.